Hi students, now we are going to look at Unit 4 measurements of 3rd standard mathematics for Tamil Nadu. Okay, so this is the measurement. Okay, you might have seen the scale, right? How many centimeters we can measure using a scale? 30 centimeters. Okay, the length of the scale is 30 centimeters. Okay, you can measure the length using a scale, right? Observe the non-standard units of measuring length are given below. This is finger width. Okay, this is a pace. Okay, distance between two legs, and a hand span. Okay, a foot span, and it is called a cubit. Okay, so what is the need for standard measurement? Because the problem is this is not unique. It changes with from person to person. It won't match. There are changes, right? A tall person will be having a higher measurement, and a short person will be having a lower measurement. Not only at one particular point, one particular value of the hand span or the foot span, everything will change. Okay, cubit will be longer for a tall person than a short person. Okay, and foot span also. Okay, everything varies. That is the reason why you need a standard measurement. Okay, so Raghu measured the length of his class table using the non-standard measurement and tabulated items as follows. Okay, alright. Complete the following table by measuring the length of your class table along with your friends by measuring the length of your class table. If you measure the length of your class table, okay, the finger width, hand span, cubit will vary from. You can see if you measure these things with your friends, they will vary. Okay, so measure the length of a ribbon by your hand span. That also you can check using a ribbon. Okay, and with your friends. Okay, measurements made using non-standard units differ from person to person. Can you guess the reason for their different answers? Because the length, but everything is not unique. For person to person, it varies, right? Height, everything varies. That is the reason. Measuring the length of objects around us using simple tools. Okay. Form a group of 5 members and measure the length of the blackboard in your classroom using the following tools and tabulate it. Okay, notebook and a ruler. Observe the measurements and discuss. Member of your group, let's say length of the pencils, length of the erasers, length of the measurement scales, length of notebooks. Okay, if you use pencils, erasers, everything will differ, right? Did you note that all the measurements made by Kala and her friends are same? Yes, they will be same. If you use the same pencil and same eraser, they have to be same. Measurement of length, this is non-standard using finger width, hand span, cubit, pace and foot span. Measurement varies from person to person. Standard units millimeter, centimeter, meter, kilometer. So measurement remains the same. Okay. That is the reason why you need a standard for measurement. Millimeter and centimeter. This is a centimeter scale or ruler. 1 denotes 1 centimeter, 2 denotes 2 centimeter, and so on. The length between 0 and 1 has 10 parts in it. Small lines, so measurement of each part is millimeter. So 10 millimeter is a centimeter. Can you tell me how many millimeters are there between 0 and 1? 10. Now can you tell me how many millimeters are there between 1 and 2? 10. 1 and 3? 20. Now can you tell me how many millimeters are there in 1 centimeter? 1 centimeter, 10 millimeters. From the picture, 1 centimeter equal to 10 parts, so 10 millimeter equal to 1 centimeter. So millimeter is mm, centimeter is cm, okay, meter is meter, m, kilometer, km. This is how we will write the units. Okay, short form. 100 centimeter equal to 1 meter. 1000 meter equal to 1 kilometer. Millimeter is the smaller unit of length. Kilometer is the bigger unit of length. Mhm. Example, this is 1 mm, 2 mm, 5 mm, 1 centimeters, meters. Okay, this can be measured in centimeters, this can be measured in meters. Okay, other things can be measured in smaller units. Measure the length of the ribbon by a tape roll. Okay, Raju, Anu, Ram, Kavi, everyone measures the same ribbon using a tape. Length of the ribbon same when we measure with standard tool using standard unit of measurement. Now you practice by measuring these things. Okay, with your friends. Measure the length of the things by using a ruler. Measure the length of the following things in your house using a scale. Okay, this you can measure, right? Take a spoon and measure centimeters and meters. Fill the blank with the appropriate units to the following, to measure the following. Okay, my pencil is 6 centimeters long. Yes, this tree is 3 meters high. My height is 80 kg. My hairpin is too long. How much? How many centimeters long? Height of the coconut tree is 15 meter. Meena has a ribbon of 50 centimeter and Reena has a ribbon of 110 centimeter. Whose ribbon is the longer? Reena. Reena, you are the winner. Activity 6. Measure the length of the following things in your class room using a measuring tape and fill in the given boxes. Okay, you have to do you have to do these things on your own. You got the point. Understand the order of magnitude between centimeter and kilometer as units. Okay, we will put those things. Okay, less than and greater than, which is less than centimeter. Oh, what happened? Centimeter is less than meter. Okay, meter. Yes, meter is less than kilometer, and kilometer is not less than, this is greater than. Okay, kilometer is greater than centimeter and meter. Match the objects with the appropriate units of measuring their length. This is not kilometer, this must be in centimeters. Okay, we'll match these 2 centimeter. Here. What about this? This is in meter. This is 2 kilometers, means this should be matched to kilometer. Okay, comparing estimation with actual using standard tools. Estimate the length of the following objects and verify by measuring actually. Okay, you first estimate it using your own techniques and then measure using scale, rope, tape. Okay. Circle the odd one. mm, cm, cubit. Cubit is the odd one. This is not the standard form of measurement. Fill in the blanks. 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. 2 meter equal to 200 centimeter. 3 meter equal to 300 centimeter. 4 meter equal to 400 centimeter. Okay. Match the following. 10 millimeter is 1 centimeter. 100 centimeter is 1 meter. 1000 meter is 1 kilometer. Write all the non-standard units. Finger span we have seen, right? You can write. I know. Write all the standard units here. You know, centimeter, meter, kilometer, millimeter is already there, right? Complete the table. Your height of your friends. Who is taller? Which of your friends is the shorter one? That you have to do on your own. Write in short form. Millimeter, mm, centimeter, cm. Not chief minister. That is centimeter. M means meter. This is kilometer. Write the given units in order. mm. Ascending order first. You want me to write. So first is mm. next is cm, then is meter, then it is km, kilometer. Descending order, first km, then meter, then cm, then mm. Okay, got the point? Students are divided into two groups that you have to do on your own. Okay, okay, so this is where we stop. Okay, we will meet in the next session with the next unit. Okay, laundry 1. Are you tired of dental problems? Then listen to this. Stop brushing your teeth using plastic brush and chemical paste. Use nature's gifted neem stick for brushing your teeth and stay healthy.